I got into the middle lane and then the left lane to give them space on the side of the road. And then after I passed them, I got back in the lane that's closest to the shoulder. And the second cop left that traffic scene and got on the highway really fast with his lights on and sirens and stuff. So I thought that I was getting pulled over in this car. The cop was coming up behind me with the lights on. Remember, I have no tag back there. I have insurance. I'm waiting on the registration, but I'm still not going to not drive the vehicle because the trust has to keep moving, you know. But the cop had his lights on the car and sirens, and then got up kind of close to me and then just went right around me. Sped ahead a few car lengths and then pulled over somebody else. And so all I could say is thank you, Jesus Christ, for the protection.